welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we are doing a Lush haul. I don't have a Lush near me. The closest one is about 5 hours away in Portland, Oregon, and over this last weekend I went to Portland, Oregon, and I love Lush, so I went to Lush and I bought a whole bunch of Lush products. I thought I would take this opportunity to share with you all of the fun things that I purchased at Lush in Portland, Oregon. I also recently moved and now have a bathtub that is all my own, so I picked up a whole bunch of bathtub items, which obviously I'm very excited about. I haven't used anything yet that's in this bag right here, but it is a very, very full bag. As you can see, we've got a lot of fun stuff in here, and I think that's all I want to talk to you about. I think I have the receipt in here. I thought I did. All right, so I can't seem to locate the receipt, so I just spent a good amount of time looking on the Lush website to get screenshots of all of the things that I got, so I had the names and the prices for you. Now that I have everything in order, let's dive into this bag. I'm just going to grab a bag and then talk about what's inside. So first off, we have a bath bomb. I ended up picking up a total of, I think, 3 bath bombs, and the first one is the Kitsune Restore and Revive Bath Bomb. This is what it looks like right here. Now, originally when I picked this up, I thought it was a clamshell if you hold it this way, but Kitsune makes me think cat, so I'm not totally, ooh, it's dripping everywhere. But this is what it looks like. It smells really, really good. I also, oh, this right here, I think all of the bath bombs actually were the same price. They were all $7.95. This has Sicilian Red Mandarin, Earthy Patchouli, and Toning Cedarwood oils to rebalance and ground your thoughts. It smells really, really good. It smells kind of spicy. It also kind of has like a gold glitter overlay on it. I don't know how well that'll pick up on camera, but I am very excited to try this. So this was the first bath bomb I picked up. Next, let's move on to this one. I think this is the second bath bomb. Oh yes, this one. This one I got attracted to because of the coloring in it. And this is the Melusine bath bomb. This is what it looks like. Look at how pretty that coloring is. Oh, this one smells so good. This one's definitely sweeter than the other one. Let me give you kind of a close-up. Well, you can see the glitters when it's not focused. So this is what this one looks like. We got some turquoise and some yellows and light blues, and it's kind of got like a scaly effect on it. So again, this one was $7.95. This is like a mermaid-based bath bomb. This has bergamot oil, olivine oil. I can't pronounce most of the things that are in here, but it definitely, it's like a lemony sweet kind of scent that I'm super excited to use. So this was the second one I got. Again, this one was called the Melusine Bath Bomb. God, I'm probably mispronouncing that terribly. And then the last bath bomb that I got is the one I'm probably the most excited about just because of how much I love this smell. I wish that I could bottle this into a perfume. And this last bath bomb that I picked up was also $7.95. And this was the Calavera. Oh, I can pronounce that one. Calavera bath bomb. It doesn't look as exciting as the other two. This is what it looks like right here. It's definitely not much special. It's just kind of a cream bath bomb with these sprinkles and strips of blue, pink, and orange, I think it is. It just smells so good. Like, you know when you're walking in an area that has a Lush in it and you can smell Lush before you see it? This is kind of what that smells like. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So let me see if I can say the names that are in here. So this also has, so this is more of a citrus kind of scent, and it has lime, neroli oil, and spicy olibanum. I don't know. Oh, I love this one so much. I just want to bathe. Well, I can bathe in it. I was gonna say I just want to bathe in it, but I can bathe in it. I hope I smell like this bath bomb after I get out of the bath after using this bath bomb. So those are all the bath bombs that I got. I did get more bath products. Ooh, next is something that I actually picked up for Alex. I did pick up 2 things for Alex. This one was of his request. The other one wasn't, but it was something that he uses all the time and loves. So this is actually a face product, and this is what it looks like. This isn't what it used to look like. We bought this product once before. It's called Coal Face, but it came in like a big block, and then they chopped off pieces and sold it to you. But now it comes in its own little kind of structured, compact, I don't know what you would call this, structured form. So again, this is called Coal Face. It is a face scrub, and this is kind of expensive. It's $14.95, but Alex usually takes forever to go through products like this, so I think that that's fine. And it smells not necessarily good, but it smells like coal. So not like coal. I guess I've never smelled actual just coal before, but it doesn't necessarily smell delicious and good and fruity or sweet. It just kind of smells like charcoal. Charcoal! What am I talking about? This is a charcoal face mask, not a coal face charcoal. This smells like charcoal. God, what am I saying? And the last bagged product is a product that I haven't tried at all before. It is like a body oil, sort of. Let's see, so this is called Coco Loco, and it is a naked shower oil. I don't wanna I don't wanna handle it too much because warmth from your hands is what makes this product start to melt, but this is what it looks like. So again, this is called Coco Loco, and it is a naked shower oil. This was $7.95. It has, of course, coconut in it, and orange oil, and lemongrass oil. And how you're supposed to use a product like this is when you're in the shower, you spread it onto your skin kind of as a last step. And so you spread it onto your skin, rub it into your skin, and then wash it off. That's what I understand from the sales associates at Lush. That's how you use this. I think it smells pretty good. It doesn't have a super overpowering scent, but it smells sweet. Kind of like, what did it say? Did it say it had lemon in it? Lemongrass and coconut. Yeah, and it has orange oil in it too. I can smell that. And I don't think I said yet, but this also was $7.95, just like the bath bombs. Let's move on to the one other thing that I picked up for Alex, and this is a shower jelly. I've talked about this a couple times on my channel, not recently, but I have talked about this on my channel. So this is the shower jelly in the scent Whoosh. If you're not familiar with what shower jellies are, it is literally what it sounds like. It is a jelly body wash that you use in the shower. Here's kind of a close-up of it, and if I move it around, you can see it jiggle in there, just like Jello. This smells so, I want to use the word invigorating. It smells like something you could use in the morning and just feel very refreshed and awake. Let me see if it says the scents on here. So it has fresh lemon juice extract, grapefruit juice, lime juice, grapefruit oil, rosemary. So very citrusy kinds of scents. So the way that this works, at least the way we use it, is we pinch off a little bit of the jelly, and then we use loofahs. So we take the jelly and rub it into our loofah, which makes it lather really well, and then we use it as a body wash. So I was really excited to pick this up for Alex. This is the 3.5 ounce. They do have a larger one, and this is $8.95. And usually Alex uses this just every once in a while so that he doesn't use it up super quick. But really like this. Excited that I was able to find that for him. Oh, let's move on to something else that I've used on my channel and spoken about before. It is a Lush Fresh face mask in the Rosy Cheeks. So this I really like, and it works pretty well for me. This is what the inside looks like. Doesn't smell the best. Doesn't smell the worst either though, but it smells like sweet rose, kind of. Whenever I use it when my skin is just really irritated, really red, and I just need it to kind of tone down a little bit, and I notice differences right away. You can only buy these in stores, in case you didn't know that. And let's see, this is $12.95. You do have to keep them in the fridge. Well, I guess you don't have to keep them in the fridge, but to maintain their goodness, it's recommended that you keep them in the fridge. So I usually do keep them in the fridge, and usually it lasts me kind of a long time, usually longer than their expiration date. Because these are a fresh product, they go bad faster than most other Lush products. But really love this. Usually pick one of these up every time I go to Lush, unless I still have one in my fridge. I think this was actually the only face item that I got for myself, which is pretty impressive. Usually I get a couple things, but I feel pretty good that I only picked that up for my face. All right, so I got sort of 2 more things, but kind of 5 more things. So let me move on to the thing that's kind of multiple things. It is multiple things. It just looks like it comes in one thing. Lush gives out these little almost egg crate containers. You can see that we got 4 little slots in here to put their bath oils in, and I thought this was so cute. It is a remarkably smart marketing ploy also, because if you want to use these, you're kind of tempted to pick up 4 bath oils instead of 1, 2, or 3, you know, because you have 4 slots in here. So I picked up 4 of the bath oils. I don't want to manhandle them too much, much because they'll start to kind of like disintegrate in my hands. So I picked up 4 bath oils. This is what they all look like in here. Lots of oranges. So let's go ahead and start with one of them. Let's see. Let's go ahead and start in this corner up here. So I have this kind of, it almost looks like a cookie dough ball with sugar around it. This is the Happy Thoughts bath oil for shiny happy bathing. And all of these, I'm pretty sure, were $5.95. Yes, all of these were $5.95. Happy Thoughts is a peachy orange kind of scented bath oil, which, yes, it almost, and I don't know if it's because it's been sitting next to these other ones, but I definitely smell the peachy orange kind of citrusy smells, but maybe it's the peach is making it smell a little bit more sweet. It smells so good. If anybody uses these, let me know. Can you cut them in half and use them like half at a time in the bath? I would love to know if I can prolong the use of these. So that one was, like I said, Happy Thoughts. The next one is the Razzle Dazzle, which is in this bottom corner right here. Okay, not only does this look like a big chunk of Bubblicious gum, but it smells like it too. I just want to like eat it. But I'm not going to because that's gross. But it is now all over my fingers, which is very exciting. Razzle Dazzle has Persian lime oil, bergamot, and violet leaf, and raspberry. God, it smells so sweet. I just wanna okay. So that was the Razzle Dazzle. Next we have Magnificent, which is this one up here in the top corner. And Magnificent has grapefruit and tangerine oils in it. So this one's a very citrusy, yep, definitely, I think the most citrusy out of all of the ones that I got. Oh, it's flipped over, whatever. That one smells super good. And then finally, the little like crown looking one in the bottom corner. This one is the Cloak of Invisibility. Is that a Harry Potter reference? Probably. And this one has jasmine and rosewood oils. So this is a very romantic, sweet, and seductive kind of scent. I want to smell it. I want to take a bath right now. I just want to just bathe in all of these at once, but that would be such a waste of money. So I picked all of these up and I'm super excited because I've never tried a bath oil before. And in our previous apartment, we did have 2 bathrooms, one of them with a bathtub. And actually we had 2.5 bathrooms, but the one that had a bathtub was my old roommate's bathroom. So I just didn't feel like, he always offered to let me use that bathtub, but I always felt kind of weird about it, so I never did. I think I did once right after we moved in, but then never again. So for the past 3.5, oh, and then we didn't have a bathtub in the previous house to that. So for the past like 4 years, I haven't had a bathtub that I can use. So that's why I went a little bit crazy with bath products. In retrospect though, this really isn't that crazy. I got 4 of these and 3 bath bombs, so I don't feel like that's too bad. And I have one product left. It is something that I haven't tried this exact product before, but I have used products like this in the past and I really like them and don't have one right now. And it is a shower scrub. So this shower scrub in particular is Magic Crystals, and this is $17.95, definitely the most expensive item that I purchased at Lush this last go around. And when I had Alex smell it, he was like, that smells like chewing gum. It has peppermint oil and it has spearmint oil in it, so it's very minty smelling. And then I'm not gonna like, it's pretty kind of liquidy. So, oh, here, I'll show you the cap. So this is what the crystals look like. It's like a sugar scrub. I think it smells really good. It does smell very refreshing. So I bet in the morning it would just really invigorate and just kind of wake up the senses. This also is, if you go into a Lush, just pick one of these up. You don't even have to buy it. Just pick one up and feel it. It is so heavy. It is a lot heavier than I was expecting. All right, and those were all of the products that I picked up from Lush. I am super excited to try a lot of these out that I haven't tried. I'm super excited to take a bath. I swear to God, if my bathtub for some reason doesn't work because we haven't tested it out yet, I am probably going to cry because this house is ours. We bought it, and that would be extremely disappointing. But if you want to hear updates on any of these products, let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you've tried any of these and you have any experience with any of these, let me know your thoughts, your tips, your tricks down in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe for more updates, for more hauls, for more content in general from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All of those buttons are down below. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.